I've been waiting for this for weeks. Whew, that was a killer bike ride. Well, home now. Came home and there was a package right there at the front door. Let's see what it is. Today's package is the Weber charcoal baskets. I am so excited for this. So let's take a look inside. Well, there's your instructions. Well, let's start with the instructions. So you get 2 charcoal baskets. It's pretty straightforward. There's 2 ways to use them. One for direct heat and one for indirect heat. Here they are. So basically, there's 2 baskets. You put your charcoal in them, like that, for direct heat, or you can separate them to do an indirect cook. Let's see how they fit in the kettle grill. Alright, let's open up the kettle grill and look at placement styles. So if you're cooking on direct heat, right over top, you'd put them together in the middle and you would fill them up with charcoal. Obviously hot charcoal. Take your grate, put it on top. Like that. And you can do direct heat right on top. Or take them, move them to the outside. Move them to the outsides like that. A drip tray in the middle, and you can do like an indirect cook. Put the meat in the middle and have the heats come around the outside and circulate kind of just like an oven. And then you just put your grate on there like that and do your cook that way. Obviously it would sit a little bit lower because I'm filled up the baskets a bit too high, but that's how it works. So these are the Weber Char-Baskets. They work in the kettle style grills. And there's kind of the illustration of the 2 different cook methods. And there we go. Boom.